Hi everybody, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. In my previous lecture, I started with the second topic, namely utility analysis. In this topic, in my previous lecture, I explained meaning of utility or definition of utility, then features or characteristics of utility. Today, I am going to start with types of utility. There are totally 7 types of utility. First one is form utility. What is form utility? When the form of a commodity changes from one to another, utility also changes. This change in utility due to change in the form is called form utility. I repeat, when the form of a commodity changes from one to another, utility also changes. This change in utility due to change in the form is called form utility. See, for example, a log of wood. In the textbook you can find a picture, a log of wood, a piece of wood. And alongside you can find a table, chair, and sofa sets, etc. In the textbook you will find it. It means the log of wood, the form is only a piece of wood. But when it is cut into different pieces and then made as furniture, chair or table, the form changes. So when the form changes, utility also changes. Here in the case of furniture, utility increases. So when a log of wood is converted into chair or table or furniture, utility increases or changes. This is called a form utility. I repeat, when the form of a commodity changes from one to another, utility also changes. This change in utility due to change in form is called form utility. I told the example, when a log of wood or piece of wood is converted into table or chair, the form changes, utility also changes. Another example, a lump of clay, a lump of mud. When it is made as earthen pot or mud pot, the form changes, utility increases. When water is converted into ice, the form changes, utility increases. When a golden biscuit is changed into or is made as a chain or necklace, the form changes, utility also changes. This is called the form utility. In short, when the form of a commodity changes from one to another, utility also changes. This change in utility due to change in form is called utility. मैं बताया था, एक पीस लकड़ी है, उसका फॉर्म अलग है, और वही पीस लकड़ी का पीस कट करके चेयर नहीं तो सोफा सेट बनाएगा तो उसको रूप बदलता है ना. सो रूप चेंज होता है, यूटिलिटी भी चेंज होता है. वो लॉग ऑफ वुड का क्या पीस ऑफ वुड है, उसका यूटिलिटी कम है, लेकिन ये फॉर्म चेंज होने के बाद उसका यूटिलिटी ज़्यादा होता है. दिस चेंज इन यूटिलिटी ड्यू टू चेंज इन फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड फॉर्म यूटिलिटी. नेक्स्ट वन, प्लेस यूटिलिटी. Some commodities possess more utility at one place and less utility at another place. I repeat, some commodities possess more utility at one place and less utility at another place. For example, camel. Camel possesses more utility in Rajasthan but less utility in Mumbai. So जगह चेंज होने के बाद यूटिलिटी भी बदलता है. ऊंट है, कैमल, ये राजस्थान में होगा उसको यूटिलिटी ज़्यादा है, लेकिन वही ऊंट इधर लेके आएगा, मुंबई में लेके आएगा, उसका यूटिलिटी कम हो जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेस यूटिलिटी. सो व्हेन द यूटिलिटी ऑफ अ कमोडिटी चेंजेस फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस, देन इट इज कॉल्ड प्लेस यूटिलिटी. और भी एग्जाम्पल बता सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, woolen clothes. Woolen clothes possess more utility in one place, that is Kashmir. But the same woolen cloth possess less utility here in Mumbai. So utility differs from place to place. This change in utility due to change in place is called place utility. I repeat the explanation of place utility. Listen carefully. Some commodities possess more utility at one place and less utility at another place. This change in utility due to change in place is called place utility. एग्जाम्पल बताया था, वुलन क्लोथ्स कश्मीर में उसका यूटिलिटी ज़्यादा है, मुंबई में यूटिलिटी कम है. कैमल का यूटिलिटी राजस्थान में ज़्यादा है, महाराष्ट्र में कम है. इसका मतलब यूटिलिटी डिफर फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेस यूटिलिटी. नेक्स्ट वन, टाइम यूटिलिटी. This also we discussed at the time of features of utility. Some commodities possess more utility at one time and less utility at another time. इधर मैं कैसा प्लेस यूटिलिटी का कैसा एक्सप्लेन किया है. Some commodities possess more utility at one place and less utility at another place. Same here. Some commodities possess more utility at one time and less utility at another time. This change in utility due to change in time is called time utility. Example, woolen clothes. वुलन क्लोथ्स का कौन सा टाइम पे ज़्यादा है, यूटिलिटी ज़्यादा है? विंटर सीजन में ज़्यादा है. समर में उसकी यूटिलिटी है नहीं तो यूटिलिटी बहुत कम है समर में. इसका मतलब यूटिलिटी कैसा चेंज होता है, समय के ऊपर चेंज होता है ना, टाइम टू टाइम चेंजेस, दैट इज टाइम यूटिलिटी. राइट, द सेम वे, right, cold drinks possess more utility in summer and less utility in other seasons. Umbrella possesses more utility in rainy season, less utility in summer. So these are all the examples of time utility. Next, service utility. Service of the professionals create service utility, or service provided by the professionals like doctors, lawyers, teachers, chartered accountants. They create service utility. Again, the service utility may possess more utility to some persons and less utility to some other persons. See, for example, the service of a maid servant, काम करने वाले भाई का सर्विस है. This service of a maid servant possesses more utility to a working woman than a housewife. Okay, so anyway, the service provided by the professionals like teachers, doctors, chartered accountants, etc. create service utility. Next, knowledge utility. See, the utility of a commodity increases with increase in knowledge. Utility of a commodity increases with increase in knowledge. This change in utility due to change in knowledge is called knowledge utility. से पहला देखो मोबाइल फ़ोन, 15-20 साल के पहले मोबाइल फ़ोन का क्या यूज़ था, खाली मेकिंग कॉल्स एंड रिसीविंग कॉल्स, उतना ही था. उसके बाद में क्या नॉलेज बढ़ गया, इसके लिए इसके ऊपर क्या SMS आ गया, और इसके बाद में कैमरा आ गया, अभी इंटरनेट है, क्या क्या है, SMS, व्हाट्सएप है, बहुत आ गया ना. क्यों? नॉलेज बढ़ता है, नॉलेज बढ़ने के बाद वो चीज़ का यूटिलिटी भी बढ़ गया. That is called knowledge utility. So, utility of a commodity increases with increase in knowledge. This change in utility due to change in knowledge is called knowledge utility. Next, possession utility. This possession utility is created due to change in the ownership of the commodity. Possession utility is created due to change in the ownership of a commodity. Say, for example, a stethoscope, right? This is possessed by a doctor. If a doctor possesses stethoscope, that stethoscope possesses more utility, or it gives more utility to a doctor than it gives a common student. A common student possesses a stethoscope. What use? The utility is very less. In the sense, that is a possession utility. In other words, possession utility is created when the ownership of a commodity changes from one to another. In other words, when the possession of a commodity changes from one person to another person, utility also changes. This change in utility due to change in the possession or ownership of the commodity, then it is called possession utility. देखो टेक्स्ट बुक में तुम लोग देख सकता है एक जंगल में और द मैंगो प्लांटेशन में है मैंगोस है, और वही मैंगो सिटी में लाने के बाद उसका यूटिलिटी बढ़ता है. इसका मतलब मैंगो इन द प्लांटेशन possesses less utility, but if the same mango is brought or given to the brought to the cities, then it is possessed by retailer, then it gives more utility. Okay, so that is possession utility. Next one, multi-purpose utility. This also we discussed at the time of characteristics of utility. Some commodities are capable of being put into various alternative purposes. In other words, or in simple words, I can say that some commodities have many uses. Such commodities possess multi-purpose utility. Multi-purpose का मतलब क्या है? Many purposes. Electricity, aluminium, right? Or any metal, right? Petrol, coal, they are all having many uses. So such commodities possess multi-purpose utility. In short, if a commodity has many uses, then it possesses multi-purpose utility. With this, these types of utility is over. I repeat, there are 7 types of utility. Form utility, when the form changes from one to another, utility changes. That is form utility. Next, place utility. Utility of a commodity changes from place to place. That is place utility. Then time utility. Utility of a commodity changes from time to time like umbrella. That is time utility. Then service utility. The service of the professionals like chartered accountants, doctors, lawyers, etc. They create service utility. Knowledge utility, when the knowledge increases, utility of a commodity also increases. That is knowledge utility. Then possession utility. When the ownership changes from one person to another person, the utility changes. That is called the possession utility. Then multi-purpose utility. If a commodity has many uses, then it possesses multi-purpose utility. So these are the 7 types of utility. I am moving on to the next subheading, that is concept of utility. In the concept of utility, there are 2 types, mainly 2 types, very important it is. There are 2 types, marginal utility and total utility. 2 concepts, marginal utility and total utility. See, with this example, I want to explain these 2 concepts. See, in this table, first units of the commodity. Let us assume that this is apple, unit of the commodity. Commodity here we consider apple. Second one, marginal utility. Third column, total utility. See the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means the person consumes, right? Apples here. First apple, second apple, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 apples he is consuming. Okay, so first he consumes the first apple. When he consumes the first apple, he gets or he derives 10 units of marginal utility. अभी के लिए ऐसा समझो, marginal utility का मतलब satisfaction. ऐसा समझो, दोनों different concept है, लेकिन अभी समझने के लिए ऐसा समझो, that is marginal utility का मतलब satisfaction. एक एप्पल खाता है, खाने के बाद उसको इतना satisfaction मिलता है, 10 यूनिट satisfaction मिलता है. Right? Now he consumes the second unit. इधर क्या है? ये एप्पल खाने को इसको बहुत इच्छा है. एप्पल मिला नहीं. फर्स्ट एप्पल मिलने के बाद खाने के बाद उसको satisfaction और marginal utility 10 मिला है. Now he consumes the second apple. From the second apple also he gets satisfaction. But the satisfaction he gets from the consumption of second apple is definitely less than the first one. That is only 8 units. Now he consumes third apple. Third one 6, fourth one 4, fifth one 2, fifth 5 apples का है, पेट भर गया, फिर भी 6 का रहा है. 6 में क्या है? कुछ एक एडिशनल सेटिस्फैक्शन कुछ नहीं है, 0 है. और फिर भी सेवंथ खाता है। सेवंथ खाने के बाद क्या है, एकदम पेट भरने के बाद फिर भी खाएगा तो क्या है, अनकंफर्टेबलनेस हो जाता है, इसके लिए -2 है, राइट। दिस इज मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी। आई रिपीट, when the consumer consumes first apple, he gets 10 units of marginal utility, from the second one 2 8, from the third one 6, from the fourth one 4, and so on. In other words, as the consumer consumes more and more units of the commodity, marginal utility keeps on diminishing. Okay, now we move on to the next column, that is total utility. See, from the first apple he gets 10, from the second apple he gets 8 units of marginal utility, but by consuming both the units too, total utility कितना है, 18. फर्स्ट में 10 था, सेकेंड वन 8, दोनों मिला के कितना हो गया, 18 हो गया, टोटल यूटिलिटी, दैट इज टोटल यूटिलिटी. Now the third one is, from the third apple he gets only 6 units, but by consuming all the three, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 6 24, this is total utility. Similarly, from the 4 but totally 28. In short, total utility is the sum total of marginal utility. Total utility is nothing but the sum total of marginal utility. That's why, in short, we say that TU is equal to sigma MU. Total utility is the summation of marginal utility. Okay? ऐसा समझो, खाली टोटल यूटिलिटी दिया है, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. ऐसा होगा तो क्या करना है, इससे ये माइनस करना है ना, राइट. बट देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला, देयर इज अ डेफिनेशन. मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी रेफर्स टू an addition made to total utility. Here, how much is the addition made? First made 10, second करने के बाद net addition कितना, 8, that is marginal utility. Now third होने के बाद क्या है, net addition क्या है इधर, 6. Okay, so marginal utility refers to an addition made to total utility when one more unit of the commodity is consumed, whereas total utility refers to the sum total of marginal utility derived by the consumer from the consumption of all the units of the commodity consumed. This is marginal utility and total utility. I repeat, total utility is the sum total of marginal utility. ये सब प्लस करेंगे, ये total utility आता है. और टोटल यूटिलिटी से मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कैसे डिराइव करेगा, दोनों को डिफरेंस क्या है, ऐसा होगा तो फर्स्ट वन इधर डैश कर सकता है, फर्स्ट वन डैश. सेकंड क्या है, दोनों का डिफरेंस 8, और ये दोनों का डिफरेंस 6, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस 4, ये दोनों का डिफरेंस 2, और ये दोनों का डिफरेंस 0, और ये दोनों का डिफरेंस -2. दिस इज द मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कैन बी पॉजिटिव और 0 और नेगेटिव, but total utility is always positive. Next, the relationship between marginal utility and total utility we will study in the next lecture. Okay, it's enough for the day. Today we have studied only the types of utility and only the meaning of marginal utility and total utility. It's enough for the day.